Hi there, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and today I've got a really quick little make for you, sort of a last minute Christmas make of these coin envelopes. So I've got 6 envelopes and they've got labels and little rounds to stick on them, and all with Christmassy themes. So you can use them to put in some coins or some money for someone for Christmas, or perhaps use it as a wrapping for a bit of jewellery or something. So all the printables for these 6 coin envelopes are available in the Rickety Snippet shop, and the link for that is below. And there's also a freebie. So this one is a little freebie, and if you'd like to sign up for that, then the link for that is also below. So we'll get making. So I'll show you how to make one of them up, and the process is the same for all of them. So I'm going to show you this one. This is my favourite, with a snowman on it. So each sheet comes with the envelope and a label with a Christmas message on it, and a blank one for you to write your own message, and a little roundel to stick on, so kind of make your own sticker. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cut this out. So I'm going to make some score lines on this piece. So 4 lines around the edge of the image here to create 4 flaps. So I'm just going to score those. There we are, and then I'm just going to fold those inwards. Now I'm not going to go over that with a bone folder until I've actually glued them down. And so we're going to pull the sides in, and it's up to you. You can either have it so that this straight edge overlaps, or that the round edge overlaps. So I'm going to go for the round edge here. So I'm going to put a bit of glue on this edge, just making sure that I haven't stuck too much on. It's not going to go onto any of the white there. But stick that down, and then I'm going to put a bit of glue along the edge on the bottom here. Stick that down, and then I'm going to grab my bone folder, just smooth it over the whole lot like that, and then bring down that top flap and smooth that over as well. Then so I'm just going to stick on my little round snowman. And then you have your 2 labels, so you could use both if you wanted. You could put those on, perhaps on the front. You could have your Happy Christmas on the front maybe, and then your one with room for a message on the flap like that. I think I'm just going to put the Happy Christmas on the flap. I'm just putting glue on the top. And sticking that into place, and then that leaves that open, so I can go back and put some glue on that one. I actually want to stick down the flap permanently. So that's it, little coin envelopes. So I really hope you enjoy them, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.